Okay, so today I'm going to explain you about infix to postfix. Okay, so in this infix to postfix, first of all I'll tell you about the operator precedence. So operator precedence means what is the priority of an operator. Okay, so here the first priority is what? This one. This is known as the first priority, that is value is high of this. So the next one is what? This is the next one, that is the second priority. Third one is star slash, this is the third priority, and the last one is the that plus and minus are there now, so that is the fourth priority. So before going to this infix to postfix, so you understood about this priority. So these are the values, means what, if for example like this is there, 5 plus 6 into 7 is there. So what we'll do, we'll consider this first, that is 5 plus 6. Okay, so that is what we'll do, we'll consider like 77. How? 5 plus 6 is what? 11 into 7. So this is the highest priority, that is the bracket, then we are doing plus. Okay, in that which we are making this expression, we are adding this and then we are multiplying with that 7. Okay, if suppose it is like this, if brackets are not there, then which priority we have to take? The second. See, plus is there, it comes last, and star is there, it comes first. Yes or no? So we'll take the what we'll do, we'll make the star as the first priority, and then that is the 6 into 7 is the 42. Okay, so we'll make the star as the first priority, and then plus is the second priority. So here 42 will become the first priority, then plus 5 will be there, sorry, 5 plus, okay, 5 plus, okay, so next is the 47. So here like this we have to consider, means these are the priorities. So next so operator precedence you understood how to do this all. Okay, so here for example it is like this, 5 plus 6 plus or minus 1. So here the question arises how we have to do. Okay, you have to take for this everything left to right only. 5 plus 6 is what? 11. 11 minus 1 is what? 10. So like this, instead of taking 6 minus 1 and then going here, you start from here only, left to right. Okay, so I think so you understood this. Okay, so now about the rule. Okay, in this infix to postfix, what I am doing, infix to postfix, the expression is given like a plus b minus c. Okay, so we have to make this as a postfix. Okay, so this we can use the stack also, we can make it, or else directly you can make it, but using the stack will be more helpful. Okay, for your understanding purpose, as well as if you solve in exam also, it will be a good one using stack. Okay, and it is the easiest method. Okay, so by seeing that table or something, the stack, it will get you will understand that it is difficult or something like that by seeing the table, but understanding is main here. See, I'll just tell you the basic of this postfix. A is considered as the operand and B is considered as the operand. These are the operand, and middle one is known as what? Operator. Okay, so if we convert this into a postfix, then what will be the answer? That is AB plus. Okay, so this will be the answer for the postfix, and for prefix what is the answer? That is plus AB is the prefix answer. Okay, so here this is considered as the infix. Two operand in between operator is there, this is known as the infix. So AB plus is known as what? Postfix. Plus AB is known as what? Prefix. So I hope so you understood. But here if the expression is given, if the expression is of bigger, then how you will solve? You can use this stack and you can make it instead of directly solving. For example, I'll just show you. It is like this: A plus B is there into C plus D is there. Okay, so I want to convert this into a postfix. To convert this into a postfix, what you have to do, that is without using stack, which I am telling you now. In the bracket, see the bracket is the first priority. In the bracket is there, we have to solve that first and then we'll make the into. So A plus B means what? What happens? AB plus, we have solved inside the bracket. Next the star is there, next CD plus will be there. Okay, CD plus is done, AB plus is done. Now this is considered as one of the operand and this is considered as the operand. So previously A and B is considered as an operand and this middle one is considered as, that is operator, that is plus sign. But now including plus also, it is considered as the operand. Okay, so it is considered as character only. The meaning of operand means what? Okay, so it is considered as operand, and after that if we want to make this as a postfix, then how we will do? First you have to make AB plus CD plus then star. So this star will come to the end, that is the postfix. I hope so you understood about this postfix. Okay, so in next video I'll tell you how to make the, we'll take the bigger one or smaller one only and we'll solve the using the stack. Okay, right now I have just explained about the operator of the that is precedence operator and the priority of the operators, and this one how to solve it in a basic one. Okay, so in the next video I'll explain you how to do using the stack. We'll do the first small things and then we'll make the larger one, we can do it. Okay, for that also rules are there, I will tell you that in the next video. Thank you.